Hey guys, so I am making a Lapis Lazuli earring set. It has a wire wrap spiral on the end. You can see the picture in the top right corner. But yeah, guys, I'm making it, and it actually comes with the set. I think I'm going to go ahead and add the earring as just where you can buy the earring individually, but it comes with the set. She ordered the Lapis Lazuli waist bead, the matching bracelet, and the anklet. And so I'm finished with the waist bead, finished with the bracelet. My daughter actually made the waist bead and bracelet. I'm going to do the earrings, so I'm making them now, and you can watch the next video and see what the earrings look like. But right now, you see I already added the beads and the crystals, and then I just finished it and closed it with the my 3-in-1 plier, closed it and looped it so I can add a jump ring. And now I'm going to make the spiral on the bottom, and I cut the gold wire. It's gold metal wire, and it is size, I think it's a size 20. I'm not 100% sure, but I think it's a size 20 or 18 maybe. And I'm just going to loop one in, and then I'm going to just twirl with my fingers and go probably about 5 or 6 times till I get what you see at the top right on the bottom of the earrings. You see the little spiral that I made. So as you see, I got the dropsies, and I dropped it. But you can see my waist beads is popping now. Dropped it again. Lord, I got the dropsies. So yeah, this is, these earrings are so cute. I love long earrings, dangle earrings, and I love hoop earrings. And so what better way to pair it with some Lapis Lazuli. Lapis Lazuli is a throat chakra. Could be a third eye chakra too, but I like to use it for the throat chakra. And it helps you speak up, and it helps you speak your mind, help you use your words, or the opposite. If your throat chakra is overactive, it'll help you kind of learn to watch your response, watch what you say, pay attention to what you're doing and think before you speak. So it'll balance out that throat chakra. So if it's overactive, it'll balance it out. And if it's underactive, it'll balance it out. So right now, I finished this part. This part gets a little tricky for me because I couldn't figure out if I wanted the loop roll backwards or forward. But I'm going to add the jump ring onto each end. And then one jump ring is going to have the earring back or hook. And then the other jump ring is going to hold the bottom spiral. So that's what I'm working on now, trying to figure out how I'm going to do it. As you see, I'm going to fix it a couple times until I get it right. And but I love working with the wire. Like, I do work with beads a lot, but every time I work with wire, and as I learn to do it more and more, I love doing it. Oops, I think I dropped my phone. Yeah. Yeah, it's just as soothing. But I have so many beaded jewelry orders that I don't really get the opportunity to make a lot of wire wrap jewelry. So I'm trying to add more to my listings on my Etsy shop and here on my TikTok shop. I said shop. I'm going to be adding more as well. But look at the spiral. It's so cool and mesmerizing. I just love the spiral. There's a meaning to the spiral. I don't know if it's like an adinkra meaning, but we're going to get back to that and figure that out. But intuitively, I would just say that the spiral will just remind me to stay in control. I'm powerful, not to spiral out of control, and that'll be my spiritual reminder for myself. But we're going to figure out if there's like an adinkra or another meaning to the spiral. So, okay, I think I decided to do it that way. I don't think it'll look right. Did I do it that way? Did I leave it like that? Let's see. I think I bent it back because I was like, that don't look right. Long story short, it's going to look good in the end. The next video you'll be able to watch and see what it looks like when I finish. But make sure you give me a follow so you will get notified when I post that, or it'll come up in your feed when I post what the video is going to look. Drop the phone again. Told you I got the dropsies, period. I dropped the earrings. Now I'm dropping the phone. Got it on there. Looks like I did keep it forward like that. I wanted it so the jump ring will stay in place. And now I'm going to add the earring wire that goes through your ear hole. I don't even know the technical name of that. So I'm going to add that. And I opened it up a little bit. And now I'm going to slide it on a jump ring. And now I'm going to use my pliers to close it back up. And once I do that, I'll be done with this earring. Yep, I'll be done. I'm not sure if this is the second one or the first one, because I recorded this video a while back. But check out my amethyst wire wrap earrings I'm wearing too, since we're talking about earrings. They're cute. I need to add them as well. But I always do custom orders. If you ever see anything, I always can make it and send you an invoice as well. Or I can just go ahead and add it and do a custom order on the shop if that's more comfortable for you. So I did. That was the first pair. So it looks like I'm working on the second pair. Ooh, so this is a long video I'm be talking through, but it's okay because I love voiceovers, and you guys love voiceovers too. And so I like doing them. It's because, as you can tell, I love to talk. So, and I love that part. So I'm adding the beads. In the bowl, I have blue, clear, and gold glass beads. They're all size 8. I think maybe the blue ones may be a size 10, 10/0 or 10 and 0. That's what I say, size. So 10 is a little bit smaller than an 8, and a 6 is bigger than an 8. So you see how the numbers are corresponding with the size. And so I add a few of the clear gold and blue mix. And then I'm going to add the crystals. I think it's about 4 or 5 that goes on there. And these crystals were kind of small. So I think I had to add maybe like 6 just to make it look like 4. So doing that. And then after I finish adding the beads, I'm going to be adding a few more clear and gold on the top. See, I'm looking at it to reference to make sure that they equal, because the beads are so small. So it looks like I'm going to have to add some more on there. Yes, so be sure to give me a follow, guys. Like, please share, because I'm on Instagram and I'm on Facebook, but I'm definitely trying to be on TikTok more, and spend a lot more time on here, because I didn't nurture those audience, and I want to nurture you guys as well, so you guys can get beaded and balanced. We can get beaded and balanced with waist beads, necklaces, bracelets, anklets, earrings. What else can we do? I do head piece. I love to make crown pieces and beaded crown pieces. I've only made a few, but we can do that too. Body beads, we do them too. And yeah, we do it. We beat it and balanced, and everything has a meaning. Every order comes with an affirmation or not a note, but that's not what I want to say. An affirmation or a message you're going to get. So yeah, shop with us. Shop. So it looked like I finished the gold, clear, and blue beads, and now I'm closing it up with my 3-in-1 pliers. And now I just need to... Oh, I did that fast, too. Add the little spiral joint. We're doing that again. Yes. So, since we up in here, and if you're listening this long, comment your favorite affirmation. And if you don't have a favorite affirmation, write this affirmation in the comments. And it is, I am a money magnet. Because you are so powerful, but just by writing it and saying that, you automatically become a money magnet. And so the more you write it, the more you say it, you will become a money magnet. You already are, and you will start walking towards being a money magnet. And that goes for all affirmations that you speak. The more you say it, the more you write it, the more you think it, the closer you are to becoming it. And if you believe that you already are, then you already are. If I'm a money magnet, I am. I am a money magnet. Money comes to me all the time. I get opportunities. Even when I think I might be broke, I'm not. I have a good relationship with money. Money is my friend. I manifest all that I need and all of my wants. Everything in due time. I'm a money magnet, y'all, period. That's it. So affirmations are so powerful. And so type that in the comments, or your favorite affirmation. So I'm almost done with with this. I did the spiral. I'm adding the jump ring. I think I worked a little faster because I figured it out last time. And FYI, these are closed jump rings that I'm adding. They're not open. So I like to use them, especially with waist beads. So when you add your clasp, you have a secure finish. Same with these earrings. So follow, guys. Love y'all. Peace, love, and balance.